Hey guys, it's Will at Jordan Bikes, and today I've got to sale this absolutely lovely Triumph Street Triple 675R. Belter of a bike this, really nice, finished off in the red frame there, and obviously the red bits on the front. Couple of cheeky extras on this one as well. It's a 2017 on a 17 plate. They never keep the mileage on these. 2,560 miles it's done. Absolutely gorgeous bike, as if you were buying a brand new one, but obviously as we both know they stopped doing the 675. Stunning bike, extras wise, for comfort, got some bar risers, and it's also got a lust lowering kit on there just to help out for to open it up to more people. Scorpion exhaust, as you can see on there as well. It's got the little seat cowl, tail tidy. Yeah, it's a lovely, lovely bike, and some comfort grips. Show you the dash there, just move that out of the way. Mega bikes, super fun, and this sounds wicked. And we'll get to the sound of it in a second. Here we go. Fast revving, sounds absolutely wicked, and a mega bike. They always do well at Jordanbikes these, because obviously it's as pristine as we like them to be. Anyway guys, you've seen the bike, you've seen this handsome chap. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call on this one. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.